Hey people, you're welcome to my channel, Motivated and Inspired. My name is Mimi Feeds and thank you for clicking on this video to come and support me. If this is your first time, thank you and you are welcome. If you're a return viewer, as always, you know I do appreciate you. So right from Ghana to Spain to UK, they are different kind of health system and how to register yourself as a resident to have access to medical health. Now in the UK is totally different from the system in Spain, and that's what I'm going to share with you with my experience. You also know that right about now UK is already administering the vaccine or the COVID vaccine to adults of 30 years and above. Without registering yourself with a GP, you cannot have access to register yourself or book for the appointment to get your vaccine. So let's dive into how to get yourself registered. I promise it's very simple and there are two ways of doing this, but I'll share with you how I did mine. So stay tuned. So first, to be able to register yourself with a GP surgery, you have to have your NHS number. To get your NHS number, you do have to log on to www.nhs.uk, put in your credentials, which would be your date of birth and the day that you apply for your residence, and other details to be able to get that number. And then that number will be needed when you are filling the form. So now let me just give you a brief information about the work that the GP does. So right in Spain, okay, if you want to have a medical access after you have your residence, you just go to a medical center or a health center which will be closer to your address, and then you will register with them with your residence registered address, which will be given to you from the city hall, and that will be a proof that you are a resident of that community or of that neighborhood. However, here in the UK, it's not like that. You can register with a GP that is not close to your home, maybe close to your workplace, anywhere at all. You're free to choose where your GP should be. So who is a GP, or what do they do as GPs? GPs are general practitioners who treat all common medical conditions and also refers patients to hospitals and other medical services for urgent and specialty treatment. They focus on the health aspect of the whole person, combining physical, psychological and social aspect of that person. Now, how do you register yourself? Simply, it can be done online by first looking for the GP that is close to your house. So you just basically just put in GP closer to me, and Google would just show you all the GPs that are close to your address. Or you can just put in your postcode and then it will show you all the GPs that are close to you. Or you might even find one around you one of the days that you're going on errands or going to work or something. Now you just have to go to them. That is what I did, or my husband did. He went to them and told them we want to register ourselves with them. So then they will give you a form. If you are not able to go there or you have to go to work, somebody can pick the form for you and can submit the form for you as well. So we pick up the form and then we filled it and we went together to submit it, which was not needed. I could have gone alone or he could have gone alone. Again, I'm saying this for you to know that someone can do it on your behalf. Also, someone can fill the forms. And then you fill the form, you can download it from online and just fill it and go and submit it to wherever you want to submit it to. Now, after the submission, they will register you onto their system, and then you can call them when you do want to have services. These GPs will refer your case to the hospitals when it is a severe case that need major attention, like major medical attention. But when it comes to common health conditions, they are going to attend to you. When it comes to prescription, they are going to attend to you. All right. And so it's this simple, like it's simple as ABC. It's the same simple procedure in Spain, but it has a different system and a different structure altogether. But it's really easy. Again, you can download the form online, fill it, and then submit it. But first, you have to choose the GP you want to go to or you want to work with. Or you can just go to them in person. They will give you the forms and you will fill it, just some questions, knowing about your race, some conditions that you do have, of course, and that is where you have to fill in your NHS number. So it's very important. Everyone has it. As soon as you have your residence, you definitely do have it. You just have to look for it on Google. As I mentioned, you'll find it, fill the form, submit it. And then from here, when you have the you've been registered already and you do want to book for your COVID vaccine, you just go online and book, and you have to again use your NHS. It's very important all the time. So that is it for this video. Take care of yourself. Be you, be bold, be whoever you want to be, say whatever you want to say, as long as you're not hurting anyone. But most of all, I always want you to stay motivated and inspired. I'll see you in the next video. Adios for this video.
Stay motivated and inspired.